Hi guys, it's me Marie and welcome back. Have you experienced craving for pasta and all you've got in the fridge are just tomato, onion, and garlic? Well, this video is made for you. Because today we will be making garlic tomato pasta. To get started and to keep you updated, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get it on! Well, of course, aside from the 3 ingredients that I've mentioned, you also need olive oil, salt, pepper, and butter. For the pasta, I'm using 250 grams of penne. And oh, before I forget, the cheese! You can use whatever cheese you want, but in my case, I only have the shredded cheddar, so no problem. Now, slice the tomato. Set it aside. Next, the onion. I'm just peeling the skin, then slicing it into squares. I really love onions and garlicky type of flavors. How about you? Are you like me? Are you that type of person too? Comment down below, I wanna know. If you're not fond of onions, you can just use the half of it. For the garlic, I am using a whole bulb because I really want to savor the garlicky flavor. The more garlic, the better. In a saucepan, pour the penne, then add water. Turn the heat to medium-high. Add a little oil to the pasta water and a little bit of salt. After boiling, drain the pasta and set it aside. Now let's move on. Grab a pan and drizzle it with some olive oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, pour the garlic. Add the sliced onions and tomatoes. I set aside some onions and will add it when it's almost done. Look at that! I bet you can smell it from there. Smells delicious. Now it's time to pour the penne pasta to the sauce. Mix it well. Add salt and pepper to taste. Last but not the least, the cheese. Now add the remaining onions, then you're done. Time to eat! I'm already hungry. See? It's so simple. That's all for today, guys. See you next time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Buyers!